Some of you have mentioned having difficulty while trying to complete the autofill and autocomplete lesson. And one of those things that you're seeing is that you're not getting the same pop-up option as shown in the video. So let me see if I can explain that and a solution to that. So if we're to take the 1, 2 here and drag down, it auto-completes, but this little pop-up window here isn't looking quite like the one shown in the video. That's because you don't have the correct options enabled in your program setup. So you go to File, Options, and under Advanced, scroll down until you see Cut, Copy, Paste. Check this box right here. It says Show Paste Options button when content is pasted. Alright, if you go back to that one, now we'll try it one more time. And our autofill options are now visible. So, once again, that's under File, Options, Advanced, and scroll down and make sure this box is checked here under Show Paste Options under Cut, Copy, and Paste. All right, hope that helps.